That's right, guys. Now let's see if we can find some of our little buddies here. We got, it looks like there's one right there. But I can't really tell, man. Yeah, that looks like one. Straight up. Oh yeah. OG Kush on deck, yo. That's what it is. Nice. There's another one there, guys. See him? Look at him. There's another one right there. I'm gonna need to mark it, kinda. I guess I'll do it with this stick right here, so I know where it's at. So we got one there. We got another one over there. And let's see what else we can find. It's doing spectacular. There's one. There's the other. So yeah, the frozen lava is doing amazing. Once again, there's one. There's the other. That's our frozen lava. And also, here's a little side note here. We got strawberries. Strawberries. Look, guys. That's crazy. Strawberries are coming in. Now, I heard if you take this and pin it to the root, new shoots will grow from the bottom and just cause those strawberries to spread. But anyway, what we got here, some damage. Looks like some damage. That looks like damage, guys. Looks like some type of bug or something ate through. So that's horrible. My wife's gonna be devastated. But it's still attached by a thread, so I wonder if I can